Dear learners, welcome to the course on Inclusive Education. This third session on Inclusive Education is about the process and benefits of Inclusive Education. Learning objectives of this session is to comprehend the process of Inclusive Education and to examine the benefits of Inclusive Education. The process of inclusion includes number 1, acceptance, number 2, understanding, and number 3, attending. 2, the student differences and diversity in the classroom, which can include physical, cognitive, academic, social and emotional. So attending to these needs by accepting and understanding them is the important key factor of the process of inclusion. And the benefits of inclusion includes understanding the diversity and valuing the difference. So here each and every child with disability has their own limitation and their uniqueness has to be valued. Number 2 is their self-esteem has to be improved and positive identity has to be given to all students with disabilities in the classroom along with their peer group. Number 3 is fulfillment of each and every individual's potential by addressing to their individual specific need, facilitating for their accessibility by providing accessible curriculum, accessible teaching learning materials, they are ensuring their participation in each and every learning activity so that that will enable for full participation of all groups, which will lead to the real inclusion not only in the education system, not only in the classroom but also in the society, thereby facilitating for creating an inclusive society in the future. And these are the benefits of inclusive education, that is social interaction. Like children with disabilities will get extended social interaction other than their family and friends into the extended society through this inclusive education. At the same time, their social competence and communication skills will also develop by communicating with their peers in the classroom, and they will get real role models to copy and to improve their social competence and communication, and improved skill acquisition and academic gains through peer tutoring and the collaborative learning strategies that is being followed in the inclusive education system. Why? Because as we have discussed earlier, children with disabilities have role models to copy according to their age, and that will enable for their skill acquisition faster when compared to the special education classroom, and social acceptance by their peers and the society at a large by attending to their needs and by developing understanding about them. And the final one is life skill acquisition, which is very essential for a person to live in the society. Why? Because ultimately all the education system or all the education which we provided to any type of student leads to empowerment and economical independence, and this is occurred only through inclusive education when compared to all other sort of educational provisions that are available for children with special needs. So inclusive education provides benefits of social interaction, social competence, improved skill acquisition, social acceptance, and finally life skill acquisition of students with disabilities. So finally, inclusive education enables for children with disabilities to play, learn and grow together along with their age and grade appropriate peers.